Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. Are you tired of slow computers in your business? Does your team complain about their devices because everything just seems to take longer? Before you decide to replace your hardware, let me tell you some simple ways to speed up Windows 10 and 11 computers. First, restart it. Yes, it's basic advice, but it works. Restarting clears the background processes, applications, and memory data, often resolving common performance issues. Next, manage your startup apps to save valuable system resources. Turn off unnecessary ones via the Settings app. Windows 11 has a feature that saves and restarts certain applications when you reboot. While convenient, it's not ideal for performance, so turn it off. Lastly, uninstall unnecessary apps. They clutter your system and slow it down. By removing them, you'll free up space and resources for better performance. Of course, rather than doing all of this yourself, why not get our team to do it for you? They can check every aspect of your computers and network to look for other hidden problems. That's your tech update. More next week.
Your problems taken care of before they become a problem for you. TCB. Taking care of business. Taking care of your business.